In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a highlight effect on text in a way that's both simple and effective. This technique is particularly handy when you want to draw attention to specific parts of your text in a design. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to select the text layer that you want to highlight. This is your starting point, so ensure that you've chosen the correct layer, as everything we do will revolve around this selection. Once you've identified your text layer, it's time to move on to the next step, creating a background highlight. To do this, we'll use the rectangle tool. This tool is perfect for drawing shapes, which makes it ideal for what we need. With the rectangle tool selected, draw a shape that's slightly larger than your text, creating a rectangle around the area that you wish to highlight. This rectangle will act as the highlight behind your text. It's important to ensure that the rectangle adequately covers the text without completely overwhelming it. So take a moment to resize and reposition it until you're satisfied. Now that you have your rectangle in place, it's time to add some color. The right fill color can make or break your highlight effect. So choose a fill color that complements your design while still making your text pop. You're looking for a contrast that draws the eye without being too harsh. Apply this fill color to your rectangle, and you'll start to see the highlight effect coming together. Next, we'll need to adjust the rectangle's layer position. This step ensures that the text remains visible atop your highlight. Head over to the Layers panel, where you'll see the rectangle and text layers. Drag the rectangle layer to sit directly behind the text layer. This layering ensures that your text stays front and center, with the highlight subtly emphasizing its presence. With your text and highlight properly layered, the last thing you want to do is ensure they can be moved as a cohesive unit. To do this, you'll group the text and the rectangle together. By grouping them, you'll be able to move or resize them simultaneously without any extra hassle. Simply select both the text and rectangle layers, right-click, and choose the option to group them. Now you have a highlighted text that can be easily adjusted or repositioned as needed. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add a highlight effect to your text in just a few steps. Not only does this technique help in drawing attention to your design, but it also adds a layer of professionalism and creativity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our future videos.